This is our 2002 Hunter 410. It's a well-maintained and well-equipped 3-cabin, 2-head cruiser with excellent accommodations that Hunters are known for. Some features of this boat include 2 AC units, In-Mast roller furling, and a Spinnaker and Spinnaker pole. At the stern, there is a set of Kato Island davits and storage lockers below, and we enter the cockpit via the walk-through transom. This is the perfect space for entertaining or sailing in comfort, with a Bimini for shade and a table with drop-down leaves to save space. The design is very safe and functional with rounded and cushioned seats and high-backed coamings. The stern rail perch seats will be very popular with your guests during a relaxing day on the water. The foredeck features an electric windlass and anchor with 180 feet of chain and rope. The anchor locker also has a washdown pump with a new pump switch added recently. She also has an In-Mast Furling mainsail and Furling genoa for easy handling. Let's move below. The spacious Salon has everything you need to make cruising a comfortable experience, and there are plenty of hatches and ports to keep it bright and well ventilated. The dining table is central to entertaining in mealtime with more than enough places to sit. The dinette can also be converted into a double berth. There's a settee to port, and just aft is the nav station. The nav station is separate with its own contoured seat and houses the electronics. The starboard side galley is very open with expansive Korean counters and features a triple-access refrigerator freezer, deep twin stainless steel sinks, and a 3-burner range with oven. There's even an added custom dish rack to port. All the way aft there are 2 private cabins, each with queen-size berths, hanging lockers, and a host of storage facilities. Lighting and ventilation are excellent, and there is great headroom as well. The aft head is conveniently located to port of the galley, where it can be easily accessed from the Salon, Cockpit, or the 2 aft guest cabins. This combination day and guest head includes a separate stall shower, Korean vanity, and lots of storage. The spacious master stateroom is located forward. This private retreat has its own ensuite head, overhead hatches, and more drawers and hanging lockers than found on much larger yachts. She is powered by a 56 horsepower Yanmar diesel which can be easily accessed. Whether you want to leave the bay or just hang out in the marina, this Hunter 410 is equipped and ready to do both. This is a fantastic couples boat and a great value in this market. As always, the full specs and asking price are linked in the description below. Thanks for watching and please consider subscribing for more boat tours. For more listings, visit our website.